Welcome to today's edition of Job of the Day by JMJ Phillip Executive Search, a leading executive search firm specializing in manufacturing, supply chain, and technology sectors. The date is May 4th, 2023. Today's Job of the Day is for a supply chain specialist in the greater Lavonia, Georgia area. The job responsibilities include the creation and implementation of material flow improvements, developing production plans and capacity forecasts, publishing lead time reports to assist customer service team, monitoring inventory levels and adjusting stock strategy to ensure sales objectives are met, and creating and monitoring KPIs for the supply chain team. The position requirements are that you have a bachelor's degree, experience using MRP systems, a minimum of 1 year's experience in a supply chain role, the ability to implement